Hi everyone, Janet Boyer here, and today I am going to be unboxing May and June 2021's Bargain Bead Box. And the theme for these 2 months is Navigator. Doesn't that sound exciting? Many of us have been waiting for this box, which is why it's a 2-month box. Bargain Bead Box usually is a monthly subscription. It's only $17.95 a month, and oh my gosh, you get a lot of stuff in the kit to make multiple jewelry items. But they were waiting for a specialty item, and we'll get to see whatever it is, and that's what took the delay this time, which we fans do not mind waiting at all. So let's read on. It says, your beads, Lapis Lazuli and Agate star in this nautical collection. Our favorite piece this month is the rhinestone encrusted working compass, both functional and beautiful. That's probably what they were waiting for. How exciting. Silver-toned findings, sparkling crystals, and handmade porcelain beads complete the collection. And then they apologize for the wait this time, but I'm sure it'll be worth it. Another cool thing about the Bargain Bead Box is they also have a sister site. There's bargainbeadbox.com, and then there's beadboxbargains.com, where you can get jewelry hauls all the time and beautiful check beads and findings. But for every month, they include a special coupon code that gets you 30% off their sister site. So let's say you spend $50. Well, that's 15 bucks off. $60, almost 20 bucks off. So it's worth it to not only have the $17.95 monthly haul, but also to get the code that's included in your monthly paper. And also in the monthly paper is a list of everything that comes in that month's kit. So you know exactly what you're getting and what they're called, just in case you're going to put it up for sale and you want to be specific with the findings or the pendant and the stone that you're working with. And look at that, approximate total retail value for everything in there is $65, and you paid $17.95. Can't beat it. Okay, now on to the unboxing. It always comes in a lovely wrapped package, and you also get a lovely organza bag. So those are great to hang on to for gift giving, or if you sell jewelry, to put it in there, or just to store some jewelry items and what have you. Oh wow, let's see what we got. Okay, I'm not going to take all of these out because those take a long time, and other people on YouTube do that. So I'm just going to go through it real quickly just to satisfy the curiosity of everyone who's been waiting like me. Okay, this is a 40-piece strand of 6x4 millimeter crystal Rondelle beads in opaque red. I love opaque beads. I don't know about you guys. Okay, let's see if we can find number 2. Okay, number 2 is a 7.5 strand of 6 millimeter Lapis Lazuli round gemstone beads. Pretty, actual lapis. Okay, let's look for number 3. So as you can see, you get a lot of items. And a lot of times you get such neat things that you never see anywhere else. And also their sister site, Bargain Bead Box and Bead Box Bargains. I get those confused, but you can Google them and look that up. But they feature things that you will never see anywhere else. And so if you see something you like, I really advise that you grab it, because if you decide when you get it you like it, chances are if you go back it's sold out. So they're limited editions. Okay, this is a 30-piece strand of 6 millimeter English cut crystal round beads in marine blue. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, now number 4. It said they mislabeled this, but they were in such a hurry that they wanted to hurry up and get it out because the delay had already been longer than they wanted. So actually it's marked 20, but it's really number 4. And it's 16-inch strand of 3.5 by 2 millimeter crystal Rondelle beads in Indigo. So it's a really dark, rich, faceted dark blue beads. Number 5 is 25. No, I'm sorry. Number 5 is 24 pieces of 40 millimeter brass ball head pins. So there's small head pins, silver tone. Number 6, I think that's a 9. Let's see what number 6 is. It's cathedral beads. Where are the cathedral beads? I don't know about you guys, but I love cathedral beads. Oh, here they are. Wait, no, those are melon. Where are the cathedrals? Wait, maybe this is it. Yes, it is. Sorry, it is number 6. Okay, 10-piece strand of 8mm cathedral style crystal round beads in red and silver. Oh, those are pretty. I've never seen cathedral beads quite like that. Okay, so it seems like it's a red, white, and blue type thing, which is not only nautical, but for those who live in countries that have red, white, and blue in your flags, you could also use that for patriotic type designs as well. Okay, number 7 is a 30-piece strand of 8x6mm crystal Rondelle beads in jade white. So it's kind of like a milky luster. That's pretty. Number 8 is, okay, where is number 8? Number 8, where are you? Ah, okay. 3 sets of 30mm banded toggle clasps. So they're basic, but they're very nice. Very pretty. Can't have too many toggle clasps, right, guys? Okay, number 9 is 5 pieces of 11 by 11 or 12mm handmade porcelain corrugated melon beads. Oh, that's interesting. I've seen check melon beads, but never porcelain. So that's interesting. Actual porcelain. Okay, number 10 is 1 meter of 3mm steel Rollo jewelry chain. Rollo's very handy. Basic, but handy. Number 11 is a 4-piece. I wondered if we were going to get any anchors or ship wheels. These are 4-piece of 23 by 19mm ship's Helm charms. Cool. Number 12 is 30 pieces of 5 by 4mm rope accent barrel spacer beads. Oh, I like these. These are really good for southwestern jewelry and also for the nautical. So that was a good choice. Okay, number 13. Oh, this is interesting. 4 pieces of 34 by 27mm rope accent chandelier findings. Oh, I might have to take this out because they're so unusual. Oh, check this out. So they're like chandelier earrings, but there's like a rope. Oh, those would make some really cool nautical earrings. Absolutely. Okay, number 14. Where are you? Oh, there we are, the big one. A 26 by 59mm curved chandelier focal. Let me take this one out too, since it's large. Oh, wow. Anchors away, huh? That would make a beautiful nautical necklace. If you can find some anchors to put in with those ship wheels, that would be really cool. Okay, number 15 is 7 inches of 8mm Crackle agate round beads. And they're dyed and heated marine blue. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? Looks like water and dark currents. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, next is number 16. This is approximately 40mm of Lapis Lazuli dyed point pendant. Oh, these are really cool for necklace pendants, and also for those of you who use pendulums or you make them to sell. These are really popular to put on the end. Oh, that's stunning color. Look at that color on there. I hope it translates well. Okay, now we are at number 17, which is 20 pieces of 8mm rope-edged bead caps. Well, these are interesting. Look at those. I don't know if you could see that. It's a bead cap, but it looks like it has a rope ending on the edges. Beautiful. That's unusual. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. Number 18, I think this is the star which we probably were waiting for, and which they were waiting for. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a roll-working brass compass with a rhinestone trim, and it's 21 by 16mm. Oh my goodness. That is so cute and gorgeous, and it's always pointing north. Nice. And lastly, oh, these are stunning. I'm going to take these out. 10-piece strand of 10mm Z-style agate round beads, and they're dyed and heated. Oh, wow. Gives you that feeling of moving water. Oh, is that gorgeous. Really nice. So a nice haul here, guys, for a nautical themed design. Wow, that's very inspiring. I haven't really made anything nautical. I've made mermaids and beach themes, but nothing per se nautical. So this is actually feels very inspiring. Very cool for those people who like to sail in your life, or those who like, you know, ships and maritime and what have you. And like I said, if any of you have red, white, and blue in your country's flag, it would make a neat patriotic type of design. So thank you for your time. And again, this was the Bargain Bead Box for, let's see, May and June 2021 with the theme Navigator. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.